shower or something, and he goes,
Okay, let's make our way down the trail.
It was like really loud.
Come on, guys, up. Up.
It's always gonna like stick in my head.
Grab it.
Just the beat.
It doesn't look great. Okay, but which way was the water flowing?
That way.
That way? So that means which way was the water starting?
That way.
That way. If you look over there, you can see the start of this little, very, very small creek that's forming.
I see it.
What do you think it starts from?
Good.
Right, yeah. All over Florida, there are tons of tiny little springs, and that's where the ground in between us and the aquifer, which is where all our drinking water comes from. Every time you flush the toilet, every time you take a shower, the small breaks in the rock where the water wells up from the aquifer are called springs. There are thousands of springs all over Florida. Okay, any little creek bed, any little small area like that, chances are the water is welling up from a spring. If you follow it,
Oh my gosh. There's mosquitoes everywhere.
guys, keep walking. When you stop, they land on you.
They can still land on us when we're moving forward.
Well, the faster you walk, the less.